Good morning, class. Today we will be discussing the reproductive system of chickens. Chickens, like many birds, have a unique reproductive system that involves several organs and processes. The female chicken, known as a hen, has 2 ovaries, but only the left one is functional. The ovary is responsible for producing the eggs, which are the foundation of the reproductive system. Inside the ovary, there are thousands of tiny follicles, each containing an immature egg. When a hen reaches sexual maturity, hormones trigger the growth of the follicles, and one follicle becomes dominant, growing while the others degenerate. This growing follicle is known as the yolk follicle and contains the developing egg. Over the next 3 days, the yolk follicle matures fully, and the egg undergoes several changes. The follicle cells produce a nutrient-rich yolk, which is surrounded by a thin membrane. The yolk contains all the nutrients needed to support the growth of a chick embryo if the egg is fertilized. Once the yolk is fully formed, the follicle ruptures and the egg is released into the oviduct. This process is called ovulation, and it typically occurs once every 25-26 hours. If the egg is not fertilized within 24 hours of ovulation, it will not develop into a chick. As the egg moves down the oviduct, it passes through several regions where the eggshell is formed. The outermost layer of the shell, the cuticle, is secreted first, followed by the shell membranes, which surround the yolk and white. Finally, the mineralized shell is formed around the membranes. It takes about 20 hours for the eggshell to be completely formed. Once the egg is fully formed, it is pushed out of the hen's body through the cloaca and laid. This process takes only a few minutes, and the egg is usually warm when laid. In summary, the reproductive system of a chicken involves the development of the egg within the follicle, ovulation, and the formation of the eggshell. The entire process takes about 25 hours, and if the egg is not fertilized within 24 hours of ovulation, it will not develop into a chick. In conclusion, understanding the reproductive system of chickens is important for anyone interested in poultry farming or animal science. By learning about the processes involved in egg formation, we can better understand the role of chickens in agriculture and the environment. Thank you for attending today's lecture.